Bitcoin fund manager, aka CryptoFace. We are poking the bear. Poking the bear, folks. We're on the daily on Bitcoin, and we are so close, if not already, at the point where we are a step ahead of everybody else, and we are first to the scene, baby. First to the scene. Shout out to my whale group for nailing these shorts. Nailing these shorts. Look at these two candles. We're on the daily. Okay? It's time. It's time. I wish we would have seen some candles like this. These two candles, I love seeing these right before. Whenever I see these candles, I'm always shorting. Whenever I see these candles, always shorting. And so we haven't seen that. We haven't seen those candles, but that's okay. We don't need to. We are poking the bear. And you know what happens when you poke a bear when he's hibernating? He wakes up and roars. And that's what is about to happen. Here's another shot. This is also Bitcoin on the 4 hour. You can go to the actually, yeah, we'll do it on the 4 hour. We are seeing a series of double tops and double bottoms all throughout Bitcoin. Double bottom goes up, double top comes down, double bottom goes up, double top, it's coming down. Where's this at? 3,400? 3,400. Bitcoin to 3,400. That's what we're going to tell this video. Hell, maybe even 32. Maybe even 32. Okay? Let's take a look at, oh! Just in time, baby. Just in time. Who else lays out what's going to happen 4 months in advance and nails it the way that we do, baby? Nobody else. Nobody else. But let's not pat ourselves on the back for people that are new here too much. But this was prophesied even before, but published. I had to publish on October 26th. It's happening. Now, a couple other indicators we're looking for. This is EOS. For those of you who are in the whale crew, you guys know, you guys have been seeing this on our secret signals. We are in a new triangle formation here. I'm looking for this to break down for confirmation of the market. EOS, everything's heavily Chinese. And sometimes with other coins, we've done it with ADA before. There's less peons in this area, and so you get more of a sentiment of what the big boys are doing here, right? So that's what we read. That's why we're reading on these things. So we're looking for this to break down, for confirmation. Previous resistance is now previous support. It's now resistance here. So we bounced off. Look, we bounced off. Let the camera focus. Right on this arrow. Look, we bounced off it. Now we're rejecting down. We'll see if we break through. There's also another coin. Tron. This is what I'm looking for with Tron. I'm looking for stair steps down. I'm looking really for one more stair step. 2 more would be absolute confirmation. And it doesn't even need to be below this line. It doesn't need to go below this line. But a sideways kind of stairs, right? Jukes people up. Oh, sucks up all the long boys. It comes down. And oh, sucks everybody up. And it comes down. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for really 2 more absolute. 1 more and we're real close. But you know, if you're confused, you zoom out. I'm telling you, this is poking the bear. These 2 candles. And so today, here's what we want today. What we want today is if we just had one little string down to 3,600 and it came back up, or what is this? Yeah, if we touch 3,630, just come down, just 1 hair and come back up. That's all I want to see. That's all I need to see today. I would be happy with just that. Just like these candles. It's going to look like just like these candles. And look, I mean, this price is going up and down right here. This is 3,600 up to 3,800. And so there's going to be movement. There's going to be movement. So the key is what? Shorten the tops, folks. That's what we're probably going to be going for. It's not rocket science. Okay, again, in Chinese technical analysis, double tops and double bottoms are relevant. It's not always head and shoulder, not always wedges, not always all the bullshit, but double tops and triple tops, double bottoms, triple bottoms are very effective in a Chinese-led psychological market. Again, double bottoms coming down. You guys know the deal. Oh, let's check some profit logs. Let's see how our own members, not me. Let's see how some of my pupils are doing. This guy, boom, killing it. Green everywhere. Good job, dude. Let's see this guy. This guy, oh, realized pay now, wow. Oh, 0.8, that's a low day. That's a low day. 0.8 Bitcoin, apparently. This dude, this guy's a new member. He's always spamming chat. 231%. Good job, dude. Try not to talk so damn much for crying out loud, but forget about me. You're doing good, so good job. Look at this. Oh, geez, we're killing the game. And I tell you, if there's a time to join, if you guys, here's your Christmas special. Your Christmas special is this video, okay? Please, if you can't afford to donate, don't donate. And please don't email me asking for discounts or giving me some. Nah, we're just going to end it there, okay? We're going down just short low leverage. That's what we're doing here. We're about to wreck the market. The bear's getting poked. The bear's getting poked, about to wake up and roar. And you know what? Right now, I'm telling you, it's been sleeping. It's been sleeping for a long time. It's time to get some honey. And you know what? I know how strong Bitcoin can feel when it's going up or down. And you know, people are feeling real strong. People are feeling, Bitcoin's feeling rather strong right now because there's been buy-ups, but once it cracks, it's cracking. It's going to come down the same amount that it came up. It's going to come right back down. You'll see.